Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a pair of statement earrings yet don't want the usual gold hoops? These earrings from Valeto store are ones you're going to love. These earrings have a hollow open hoop teardrop design. They're very light, they're gold plated, hypoallergenic, they're nickel free and lead free, and honestly I've gotten so many compliments wearing these lately. So these are the two colors it comes in. It comes in silver and gold. The gold is beautiful, shiny material. They're a nice statement earring that you can use to spice up a casual outfit or use for a nice, elegant event. So it is packaged really nicely and keeps the earrings very safe. As you see, they're very nicely made. But I like that it also gives you two backstoppers, so you can choose whichever is your preference. So the box is really beautifully designed in a green and blue color, so it's perfect if you just want to give it as a gift right out of the bag. Since it comes in twos, you can always just keep one for yourself and gift the other one to a friend. So if you want to make a statement, don't hesitate to get these earrings. And that's just my point of view.